What is shadowboxing?
Shadowboxing is a solo exercise where you throw punches and move as if facing an invisible opponent. It's a staple in boxing training, focusing on technique, footwork, and strategy. But shadowboxing isn't just for fighters. It's an effective workout for anyone looking to improve fitness, coordination, and overall health.
Cardiovascular benefits of shadowboxing.
Shadowboxing is a powerful cardio workout. The constant movement, punching, ducking, and shifting gets your heart rate up and burns calories. This boosts cardiovascular endurance, strengthens your heart, and can help lower blood pressure. Plus, interval-style rounds mimic high-intensity interval training, making it a time-efficient way to support heart health.
Essential posture and stance.
Good technique starts with your stance. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, and hands up to guard your face. Keep your elbows close to your body and your chin tucked. This posture helps maintain balance, protects you if you are facing an opponent, and allows swift movement in any direction.
Rhythm and movement in shadowboxing.
Focus on a steady rhythm as you throw punches and move around. Don't stay rooted in one spot. Keep your feet light. Step forward, backward, and side to side. Alternate between firing quick combinations and defensive movements like slipping and weaving. This variability increases the workout's intensity while improving agility and coordination.
Tips to maximize your shadowboxing workout.
Warm up before starting and use a mirror if possible to check your form. Start slowly, then increase your speed and complexity as you gain confidence. Visualize an opponent to make your movements purposeful. Combine shadowboxing with active rest, like jogging in place, to keep your heart rate elevated and maximize cardiovascular gains.